Every day, I get to wake up in the best place on earth, Holland, Michigan. It's just perfect. Before I came here, I was afraid and I just couldn't trust anyone. And then I found Fred. And now we have Harry. Sometimes I still wonder, is it even real? Is there something you want to tell me?
I don't know why I did it. I'm so stupid. I think maybe I have a food addiction. And I know the bacon was for Harry, but I couldn't help myself and I... Are you not talking about the bacon?
We're talking about something else. Maybe you should take a few days off.
철석같이 믿었던 베이비시터의 배신, 캔디를 손절하는 건 당연한 수순이었지만 아들 해리의 불만이 장난 아니었고
Oh, this is just so unfair. This is exactly what Mom always does.
And we'll talk when I get home. Okay, buddy, man to man.
Bye. I'm sorry about that. Let's see what we got going on here. Hey, Nance. Big drama today, huh?
I have no idea.
Smelling good. What you got?
Meatloaf. Get excited.
모자 사이에 칼바람이 불고 있다는 걸 너무나 잘 알고 있는 프레드. 서로를 격리시킨 채 장단을 맞춰주는 처세술의 달인이었는데요.
So, keep the peace.
Yeah.
You got that?
기다렸다는 듯 귀걸이에 대한 억울한 속내가 터져나오기 시작.
Just about the bacon. It's theft.
Did you check your junk drawer? And your closet floor?
Anyway,
This is really super done. Did you do something different?
So I got some bad news, Nance. I gotta go to Frankenmuth, their Alcon junket, just a one night though.
그럼에도 캔디를 잘라버린 것에 대한 충분한 지지를 이끌어내지 못했다는 아쉬움. 동료교사 데이브를 찾아가게 되죠.
But do you really think she'd just take one earring?
I know. I thought about that. Who's that?
Squig's Grumman. He's a bus driver. School let him go because someone said he smelled like booze. I got his son in shop. He's a good kid. So how long is Fred gone this time? I actually have an appointment with him next week.
Are you gonna get glasses? You look like a professor.
Yeah?
Harry have a sleepover at my house tonight?
I had a special evening planned. Movie, pizza, just like old times.
지난번 캔디 사건의 여파, 낸시는 아들에게 역으로 손절을 당하게 되고
Okay, I'm going.
Serial murders, people who commit.
Oh my God, Chris. Wait.
I'm not who you're.
Can you put me through to Fred Vandergert's room, please? Okay, thank you.
혹여나 내가 정말로 엄한 사람을 잘라버린 건 아닐까라는 자책. 귀걸이를 찾겠다는 일념하에 남편만의 공간으로의 걸음을 옮기게 되고 그 용도를 알 수 없는 폴라로이드 필름을 한가득 발견하게 되는데요. 그런데 다음날
What?
Nothing.
Hey, but I brought Frankenmuth, extra livers. Here, come on.
I need to talk to you.
문제는 그동안 남편이 출장차 메디슨을 간적이 전무하다는 사실. 이건 분명 외도를 저지르고 있다는 빼박 증거였고
Polaroid film. We don't even own.
혹여나 나에게 들킬까 폴라로이드로 은밀한 사진을 남기고 있을 거라는 상상으로 이어지고 있었는데요.
But maybe he has a bunch of different ones.
Impressive. Well, he must have done something right. After all, he got you.
That's nice. A lot's changed since then. I mean, I wasn't in a good place. Fred, he kind of rescued me. Small town, trapped, going nowhere, right? Anyway, what was I talking about? Polaroids.
Alcon today, and they want me to come back out there next week. Just a 3-dayer.
Little vacation getaway. Get up, leave it all behind.
Hey, hon.
평소답지 않은 아내의 쌀쌀맞음, 위기를 직감하게 되고
Did I do something wrong? Maybe I'm a dummy, but I thought we were doing pretty good here.
You know you should leave a scab alone, and picking it, you're only going to hurt you. You even know that, but you keep, and you're not supposed to. And you.
Maybe we can agree to leave it alone to heal, right? Hey, you want pop and milk? Harry! Gonna make pop and milk!
이토록 나만을 바라봐주는 남편을 의심했다는 미안함도 잠시. 외도의 증거를 찾아내겠다며 또다시 차고를 향하게 되는데요. 그런데
Hey! Enough! Harry! Come here! Stop! Harry! Somebody where?
남편이 만든 미니어처 세상에 갇혀버리는 너무나도 생생한 악몽이었죠.
Put a sheath on that saw, Michelle. Thank you. Hey, this edge is sick, man. I can show you after school. Everything okay at home?
Can you move any slower?
You really think he's hitting his kid?
It's the first time I've ever called child services.
Well, you did the right thing.
What's this?
Same address.
Nancy, no, this is crazy.
So we know that this Polaroid film, but where are the Polaroid? Where are they? Fred's office.
What's gonna happen when we get caught?
We're not gonna get. You have an eye exam coming up?
그때 화장실 창문을 살짝 열어 내가 몰래 잠입할 수 있게 해달라는 부탁. 데이브의 입장에서는 어이가 없었고.
What type of window?
Yoo-hoo. Hey. She wants me to go to Zingerman's on Friday.
3 hours drive with gas at $2.50.
She wants some special cheese or something. Will you two be good without me?
그리고 며칠 후
Delgado.
Let's get these peepers checked out.
So I see you've got Mesa coverage, Holland High School.
Yes, sir.
Now you must know my wife, Nancy Vandergrift, Life Management.
No, I'm new here, so I don't know many people.
Well, that's a pretty small place. Well, you're drifting backwards.
거짓말에는 영 소질이 없는 듯 당황한 기색을 숨길 수 없었고.
One more. Not so fast. Eager beaver. 2, there you go.
I am here for my appointment.
겨우 문제의 화장실에 들어설 수 있었는데요.
What the heck you doing in there?
Sorry.
You burst my bladder.
Need a retina check.
그런데 잠시 후
Hey, you left your jacket in the can. Hey, listen, just don't drive for half an hour, all right?
Jesus.
It's wild. It's wild.
Listen, I'm out.
What do you mean you're out?
I'm so out. Yeah, I got a date tonight anyway, so.
Okay, you cancel it. It's more interesting than some boring old date. Okay, well, your silly date. Do I know her? Or is
No,
it?
there's no date. Yeah, I didn't want you to think less of me, so.
You don't have to worry about that. You really don't, ever.
No?
No.
So,
빼어난 미모를 가진 데다가 이미 가정을 가진 유부녀라는 감히 넘을 수 없는 벽이었지만 이제는 나에게 호감을 보이고 있는 그렇게 데이브는 이 위험한 계획에 동참을 하게 되고
Great. I'm in.
그리 어렵지 않게 잠입에 성공할 수 있었는데요.
Wait, so they're just like round cards?
Yeah, and there's these foil cards.
문제는 이 늦은 시간 프레드의 호출기가 울려대기 시작.
No, that's okay. See you there? Okay. Gotta run to the office.
다름 아닌 프레드의 도움을 필요로 하는 응급 상황이었는데요. 이내 곧 주옥이 되어버렸다는 걸 깨닫게 되죠.
Lazy Ann Baloney Queen. Come on. Hey.
Hey, Fred's here. Ow!
Okay.
Look straight at me. Well, everything looks okay.
That looks okay to you.
Cigarettes? With Nancy?
No, thank you.
You, Dr. Granger.
You're welcome.
Okay, bye, Fred.
하필이면 낸시가 이름을 팔아버린 괜이었던 것. 역으로 데이브에게 의심의 싹이 돋아나기 시작했고 자신의 거짓말이 들통났다는 사실을 모르는 낸시. 세상 뜨거운 시간을 보내고 있었는데요. 그런데 얼마 전 아동학대 혐의로 신고한 그라우먼과 그의 아들 슌이었던 것. 은혜를 원수로 갚는 말 그대로 어이없는 처사가 아닐 수 없었고
Did you teach him that when you're beating him up?
Oh, that was so. You were so manly.
No, we shouldn't do this, Nancy. You're married. Your photos or whatever, just leave him. I want to be with you, Nancy, but not like this. No.
I can't. For Harry, he'll never forgive me.
Your nice house, your nice car. You want all that and you want this, but you can't have it all, Nancy.
문제는 그 어떠한 대꾸도 하지 못했다는 거죠.
Okay. Let's just see each other at school, okay?
How was Zingerman's?
Fine. So tired.
그리고 다음 날
Jansen's jeweler.
카드 내역을 바탕으로 외도의 증거를 찾게 되고 캔디를 의심했던 문제의 귀걸이 한쪽을 발견할 수 있었는데요. 그런데 잠시 후
Jansen.
It's got a good lock. I found that last night in my office. Gwen brought her son by. You remember when we were first married and we fought over so many stupid little things, and then we learned to let things go, and that's when things got good. I'm not gonna ask. I'm gonna get things back to the way they were.
요 며칠 남편에 대한 의심으로 가득 찼던 자기 자신이 미워질 정도의 너그러운 태도.
To be better than I've been. I'm gonna have an attitude of gratitude.
판도라의 상자를 열지 않는 것으로 상황이 일단락될 수 있었고 다시금 서로가 세상의 전부였던 그때로 돌아갈 수 있었는데요. 문제는 그녀의 몸과 마음이 데이브를 완벽하게 떨쳐내지 못했다는 사실. 활력이라고는 좀처럼 느껴지지 않는 무의미한 삶의 반복이었고
Your bitter balance. Enjoy.
그러던 어느 날
Hey.
I know. I'm sorry.
I'll leave him, Dave.
Don't think.
I will. It's like carbon monoxide. It's so sleepy and comfortable.
You know this town.
But at least we'll be living our life.
What if you lose Harry?
You'll be lucky to see Harry once a month. There's one way that we can make this work.
How?
Fred's trip. Get to prove that he's cheating.
이혼의 귀책 사유를 내가 아닌 남편으로 전가시키는 기가 막힌 묘수. 아니나 다를까 얼마 지나지 않아 남편의 출장일이 다가왔고
Fine, honey. Bye, bye, bye.
You just have a good day at school.
절친에게 해리를 당부하며 모든 준비를 마칠 수 있었는데요.
Believe we're doing this. I should have made us something else, but I could. There he is.
All right.
What's your seatbelt on?
Oh, I think he saw you now.
Get down. Fred, what are you up to? Okay, I'm gonna get the room number. Coast is clear.
Okay.
Yes.
He's downstairs.
Okay. Call me the moment he leaves.
Yeah, my parents. Optometry is better than dentistry, though, right?
Oh, yeah.
And my wife, when I met my... Yeah, for a moment there I thought, we'd take off.
십수년을 함께 살았음에도 미처 몰랐던 남편의 은밀한 취향, 수갑부터 속옷 그리고 강아지 사료까지 이해할 수 없는 것들의 총집합이었고
Good night.
Good luck with the missus.
Thank you.
Hey. Hey.
Oh, do I know you?
Yeah. Oh, I do?
문제는 데이브를 전혀 알아보지 못했다는 사실. 충분한 시간을 벌지 못한 만큼 애간장이 타들어가기 시작하는데요. 그런데
Handcuffs and underwear. Can you believe this?
이로써 빼박 증거를 확보, 영원히 서로가 함께할 수 있을 거라는 단꿈에 빠져드는 것도 잠시. 문제는 날이 밝기 무섭게 제대로 현실을 직시하게 되었다는 거죠.
These are just pictures of... Listen, Nancy, I want to be with you. And for that, we need undeniable photographic evidence. Better get it.
그렇게 데이브에게 뒤를 맡기고 돌아오는 길.
You screwed the baloney queen. Can I speak to Lacey Hartnett, please? I'm an old friend of hers and really like to connect with her again.
Lady, don't you read the papers? First of all, Lacey Hartnett, she disappeared.
그리고 얼마 전 싸늘한 주검으로 발견되었다는 믿기 어려운 이야기. 경찰은 이를 살인사건으로 결론을 내린 상태였고 이내 곧 의문의 숫자들이 우편번호라는 사실을 알아챌 수 있었는데요. 문제는 자신이 연쇄살인마의 뒤를 밟고 있다는 걸 데이브는 상상조차 하지 못했다는 사실. 외도가 아닌 프레드는 열심히 사체를 썰어대고 있었죠.
So you do know my wife.
I'm sorry.
다행히 그에게 큰 데미지를 입혀 무사히 달아날 수 있을 거라는 기대도 잠시. 의도치 않게 프레드를 처리하는 사이 말 그대로 낸시의 멘탈은 엉망이 되어버렸고
You're not wrong.
차마 그를 죽음에 이르게 했다는 사실을 털어놓을 수 없던 데이브.
I showed him the pictures, the evidence. I would reveal everything.
You said that?
And he's gone.
드디어 장밋빛 미래와 마주하나 싶던 그때
Three of us, let's just leave. Yeah, why
I
not?
can't
Yeah.
just disappear through tulip time and everything. What?
갑자기 사라지면 사람들이 의심할 거라며 그간 쌓아온 이미지조차 망가뜨릴 수 없다는 황당한 주장. 하지만 이미 결승점이 눈앞으로 다가온 만큼 그녀의 제안을 받아들일 수밖에 없었고
Be some delays at work.
He promised he'd come.
And smile.
마침내 이곳에서의 모든 걸 정리하는 마지막 날이 되었는데요.
Saved you a spot, sis?
그런데
Harry must be happy his dad's back for the big show.
Fred's still away on his trip.
Jim, you saw the doctor, right?
Yeah, yeah. Over, I think so. Over there.
설마 아닐 거야 라며 애써 침착함을 유지하는 것도 잠시. 그건 의심의 여지가 없는 남편 프레드였던 것. 너무나도 당황한 나머지 데이브에게 자초지종을 설명하지 못한 채 축제 현장을 빠져나오게 되고
What's going on? Where's Dad? Why are we here?
이내 곧 누군가가 모텔의 문을 두드리기 시작하죠.
Whatever you do, do not leave this room.
Nancy, Fred's coming here. I saw it happen. There was blood everywhere.
프레드가 저질렀던 만행, 그리고 내가 살기 위해 어쩔 수 없이 그를 담가버렸다는 사실을 전한 후에야 모텔에 들어설 수 있었고
I saw him. He drowned. I saw him. I'm sorry.
I'm gonna call the police.
Give me the phone.
Dave, no.
해리의 인생이 망가질 거라며 신고를 격렬히 반대. 덕분에 데이브는 제법 큰 상처를 입게 되는데요.
Harry?
문제는 그 사이 아들이 감쪽같이 사라져버렸다는 거죠.
Harry!
So take these. Go away to the car. I worked to keep you and Harry safe, but you did. You know, I think really good for us now, Nancy. I think we can really start working as a team again.
지난번 귀걸이 때처럼 모든 걸 덮어두면 다시금 모든 게 원래의 자리로 돌아갈 수 있을 거라는 이야기.
Gonna press the reset button.
10수년간 이어온 결혼 생활에 이미 익숙해져 버린 듯 낸시는 남편의 제안을 따르게 되지만
Are you okay, Mom?
이내 곧 불안함을 드러내기 시작하는데요.
Oh, Harry isn't buckled.
Stop the car, please. Stop the car. Stop.
Hey!
Run now!
Hey, Harry! Harry, you get back! Man, if I'm not here to take care of things, your life will fall apart. Oh,
Stop! You're not gonna move me. What are your fucking little ass?
Mom? Mom! Ah! Dad, stop it!
열길 물속은 알아도 한길 사람 속은 모른다는 의미일까? 아니면 여성은 나약할지 몰라도 어머니는 강인하다는 메시지를 전하고 싶었던 걸까? 배우들의 연기는 제법 훌륭했지만 감독이 전하는 메시지가 모호하다는 반응과 겉으로는 누구보다 평화롭지만 그 실상은 불안한 삶을 살아가고 있는 현대인의 모습을 제대로 그려냈다며 제대로 호불호가 갈린 문제작. 여러분들은 어떠셨나요?
Was it even real?